Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my favorite recipe for orange and cranberry fruit bread. This delicious bread is a hit with my friends and family, and the best part is super easy to make. So let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients you will need. Cranberries. I love using frozen ones from Walmart. 1 whole orange. We use both zest and the juice. Water just a little to mix with that fresh orange juice if you use the small orange. Not enough juice, so should add more water. Flour, I prefer to use the scale for measurements rather than cups. Baking powder. Sugar, salt a little. Salt help balance the sweetness and enhance the flavor. Oil, this keep our bread nice and moist. I use sunflower oil for this recipe. And eggs, I recommend cracking eggs into separate bowl to avoid spoiled eggs and eggshells. Alright, let's dive into the preparation. Grab the stand mixer and the flat hook attachment. I'm going to beat the eggs and sugar together, thoroughly dissolved. While that mixing, I'll prepare my baking pans. You can use either 2 medium-sized loaf pans or 1 full-size loaf pan. Totally up to you. Okay. Now that our egg mixture is ready, it's time to add the oil and all other ingredients. Mixing it all together until it's well combined. It's that simple. This is how the butter look like. Now let's put our butter into the prepared pans. We're going to bake this beauty at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes to an hour. You know it's done when the toothpick comes out clean from the center. And this will need 3 more minutes. And voila! Here's the final product. Let it cool completely. Then dust with some icing sugar for a sweet finishing touch. Slice it into 1-inch thick pieces. Bake or wrap and store it in the fridge up to a week. This fruit bread is often mistaken for a pound cake, but trust me, it's lighter and healthier because we're using oil instead of butter. Perfect for a nutritious breakfast or snack. The detailed recipe is in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching and happy baking. See you again next time. Bye.